Welcome, dear ones, to a journey of self-discovery and tranquility. As we embark on this journey, it's important to understand the concept of chakras, the energy centers within our body that influence our physical, emotional, and spiritual well-being. The word chakra is derived from Sanskrit, translating to wheel or disc. Much like a wheel, these chakras keep our energy constantly moving, flowing, and balancing. There are 7 main chakras, each located at different points along the spine, starting from the base and ending at the crown of the head. These are the root, sacral, solar plexus, heart, throat, third eye, and crown chakras. Each chakra possesses its own unique properties and governs specific aspects of our lives. A harmonious balance of these chakras is crucial for our overall well-being, and that's what we'll be focusing on. Understanding these chakras is the first step towards achieving inner harmony. Start your journey at the base of your spine, where the root chakra resides. This is your foundation, the grounding force that allows you to connect to the earth and harness its energies. The root chakra is a vital player in your overall stability, both physically and emotionally. It's like the roots of a tree, anchoring you firmly into the ground, providing a sense of security and balance. It's crucial to your feeling of survival and basic needs. When balanced, it brings about health, prosperity, and a sense of safety. Now let's focus our energy on this chakra. Imagine a warm, glowing red light, like the embers in a fireplace, filling this area at the base of your spine. Let this light grow and spread warmth throughout your entire body, grounding you, making you feel secure and stable. As we conclude this part of our journey, feel the energy in your root chakra stabilizing and grounding you. Move up gently to the lower abdomen, the dwelling of your sacral chakra. Imagine an orange glow as warm and inviting as a sunrise. This is the sacral chakra, your center for passion, creativity, and personal relationships. It is a wellspring of emotions, a reservoir of your deepest desires, a crucible where your creative sparks are kindled into a roaring flame. Let's focus our energy on this chakra. Breathe in deeply, drawing in peace and serenity. As you exhale, let go of any blocks or inhibitions that are holding you back. Visualize the orange light growing brighter, warmer, pulsating with your breath, a beacon of creativity and passion. Feel the energy flowing freely, unimpeded, resonating with the rhythm of your breath. Allow this energy to awaken your senses, to stir your emotions, to ignite your creativity. Taste the sweetness of life, savor the richness of experience, and revel in the joy of creation. Embrace the creative energy flowing from your sacral chakra. Progress to the upper abdomen, the home of your solar plexus chakra. The solar plexus chakra, located between the navel and solar plexus, is the core of our personality, our identity, and of our ego. This is the energy center of personal power, ambition, intellect, astral force, desire, and emotions based on intellect and touch. Imagine a vibrant, warm yellow light swirling in this area, growing in size and intensity. This light symbolizes your personal power and growth, and as you focus on it, you are nurturing these qualities within yourself. Breathe in deeply, drawing in positive energy, and exhale, releasing any self-doubt or negativity that may be clouding this chakra. As you breathe, visualize the yellow light becoming even brighter. This chakra is your powerhouse, the epicenter of your personal strength and courage. Feel the power and confidence radiating from your solar plexus chakra. Now shift your focus to the center of your chest, where your heart chakra resides. This is your emotional core, the wellspring of love, compassion, and empathy. As the 4th chakra, it serves as a bridge between the physical and spiritual realms, balancing our earthly desires with our higher aspirations. Picture your heart chakra as a radiant, soothing green light, pulsating gently with each breath. It's a beacon of harmony and unity, fostering connections with others and nurturing self-love. This chakra urges us to open our hearts, to accept love and give it freely in return. As you concentrate on this area, allow the green light to grow brighter, more vibrant. Envision it washing over you, bathing you in its calming energy. Feel your heart expanding, your compassion deepening. Let any barriers to love dissolve, replaced by understanding and acceptance. Experience the warmth and love emanating from your heart chakra. It's a sensation of peace, a testament to your innate capacity for boundless love and compassion. Move your awareness to your throat, the dwelling of your throat chakra. The throat chakra, or Vishuddha, is the 5th energy center, and it is associated with communication and self-expression. It's here that the energy for your voice and your truth is generated. When balanced, the throat chakra allows us to express ourselves honestly and clearly, standing up for what we believe in with love and respect. Now imagine a bright, vibrant blue light, like the clear, open sky, radiating from your throat. Feel this energy flowing in and out, enabling you to communicate your thoughts and emotions freely and effectively. As you focus on this light, feel the resonance of your personal truth, your voice becoming strong and clear. This is your throat chakra, your center of communication, your platform for self-expression. Honor this space, for it is where your voice, your truth, your essence is expressed. Feel your voice and truth resonating from your throat chakra. Shift your attention to the space between your eyebrows, where your third eye chakra resides. This mystical chakra is said to be the gateway to our intuition and perception beyond the ordinary senses. It's like a spiritual command center, directing our view of the world around us and within us. As we focus on this chakra, imagine an indigo light, almost like a midnight sky, glowing brightly at the center of your forehead. This light represents wisdom, knowledge, and the ability to see clearly. It's the light that guides us on our path, illuminating the way forward. Now, allow yourself to breathe deeply, inhaling tranquility and exhaling any blockages that may be inhibiting your intuitive abilities. Feel the cool indigo light growing brighter with each breath, as if you're charging a powerful battery. This is your intuition being awakened, your inner wisdom being stoked. Sense the wisdom and intuition flowing from your third eye chakra. Finally, elevate your awareness to the top of your head, the home of your crown chakra. This is your spiritual antenna, the gateway to your higher self. It is the final step in the ladder of chakras, symbolizing spiritual connection and enlightenment. Take a moment to focus your energy here, at the crown of your head. Picture a vibrant violet light, a beacon of spiritual wisdom and cosmic understanding. This light is your connection to the universe, to the divine. It is the essence of who you are, beyond the physical, beyond the mental. As you channel your energy into this chakra, allow yourself to feel the serenity and peace that comes with spiritual understanding. Let the violet light grow brighter, stronger. Bask in its radiant glow. Let it guide you towards greater self-awareness and enlightenment. Feel the divine energy cascading from your crown chakra, connecting you to the universe, reminding you of your infinite potential and cosmic significance. Having journeyed through all your chakras, now is the time to rest and absorb the energy. Let's take a moment to reflect on the soothing journey we've just embarked on together. You've touched upon the root of your being, the sacral center of creativity, the solar plexus of personal power, the heart of compassion, the throat of communication, the third eye of intuition, and the crown of cosmic consciousness. Each chakra, a vibrant vortex of energy, now hums in harmony, creating a symphony of tranquility within you. As you've cleansed and balanced these chakras, you've also cleansed and balanced yourself, both physically and spiritually. This journey of chakra cleansing is like a river flowing through a landscape, leaving behind a trail of life and vitality. You've allowed this river to flow freely through you, removing any blockages and stagnation, refreshing every part of your being, and ultimately leading you to a serene pool of tranquility. The tranquility you've achieved today is not just a fleeting moment of peace. It's a powerful state of being, a reservoir of calm you can tap into anytime you wish. It's the quiet strength that will help you face the challenges of your daily life with grace and resilience. Remember, maintaining this balance is not a one-time task. It's a continuous process, a journey that you embark on every day. Like a gardener tending to a garden, you need to nurture these chakras, ensuring they're well-balanced and free from blockages. As we conclude this guided meditation, I encourage you to take a few moments to bask in the peace and serenity you've cultivated. Feel the energy coursing through your body, the tranquility permeating your mind, and the harmony enveloping your spirit. There is a profound beauty in this silence, a beauty that echoes within you, radiating outward, touching everything around you. It's a beauty that stems from balance, from peace, from love, and from understanding. Carry this newfound tranquility with you, dear ones, as you step back into your world, balanced and rejuvenated.